1, go!
Today we're gonna make raisins, but I don't know how to say that. We have a glass here, and then we just put water, like
raisins.
Raisins in.
Put the raisins in.
Raisin.
Where are the raisins? Could go get them? Emilia, what do you think we're gonna do?
It's water.
Yeah, we're gonna do something with water, aren't we?
And we're gonna put the raisins in first. I
Okay.
left them in the kitchen, so
Okay,
here
that's
they
too
go.
many.
Too many. Oh, I can eat them. Oh, yummy.
Okay.
And there's a bit too much raisins. I can eat that later.
Then what do we add?
And then we add
Sparkling water.
Sparkling water. That actually, it's just. I don't know.
No, not the balloon.
Can I drink it?
And look what happens.
And we're just gonna see if it floats or if it sinks. And it's like coming up and down. I don't know what am I?
How about the balloon?
No, we're not having balloons.
No, this is the balloon.
It's just there's one more raisin.
No
to go.
balloon.
Oh, well done! It floats. It sinks. Can I drink it now, Daddy?
Sure.
Now I'm gonna drink it.
No.
Oh, I haven't had the raisins yet. Every time you finish drinking it, it makes you burp. Sometimes it makes you burp 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, blah, blah. Oh. Excuse me.